Okay, welcome. Now on designboom and parsing these blocks. So copy this and say boom. And now, as always, let's show you how documentation works. Go to start. Don't need it. We already had it. And now here we see all the parsers. This is the documentation for designboom. This is the web page for design and architecture, all the blocks. Good, and then we had how to use. The code is here. You can work with it, modify it. If you want, for example, go for Arc Daily, would be similar. So this is what we need to get a single post to your working notebook, as we did it with Wikipedia, with Plato, with YouTube's. Now with Boom, go here, for example, to this M for RDV, Moscow, put that as a string, and this should work. Boom. Good. And so you can collect things you're interested in and save it, put it into your library as fragments, as a mood board or whatever. So, but this is a little unfortunate. Here we have a style subsection, and here we have, okay. It's okay, but we can put it one level deeper so that within Boom we have some things. For example, this could be the work of the day, and these are my collections of things. It's my traces of interests, and this all is accessible later on with our machines. So save that. There's another option for designboom. Let's look. If you create a whole book from a whole block, so go for here, then we get a new book. We don't need to do anything but designboom, book create, not a blank, so with our name, just with boom. So, and we simply say we want to have, then we need the name of the block. And have it fast. Go for Nepal. I checked it. It's nice. Good example. Architecture in Nepal. So we don't need this. So this is the tag. Use this, and that's enough. Now he creates the book with architecture in Nepal. He's reading the posts with all pictures, all references, and so on. And here we are. So we have 4, and they are all pretty image sources, high resolution, everything is there to your notebook. Floor plans, discussions, so on. So that's fine. This is with book. Now let's look how it is organized. Just get an idea of how this works. Boom is by definition always in Boom. So we have now this new entry here with this book. We have plain text and the notebook we see here. This is another one. This is in Bamboo, in architecture and design. This has 300 megabytes and a few thousand of pictures. And here we are. Look, it's working pretty well. So this takes about 20 minutes, 12 minutes to parse 200 and something posts. Accessible to your work. So if you want to, you simply can copy the whole thing. If you want to copy it, simply put it here. or put it to our working environment, put it here with boom, with this one. Now we have this guy, subsection, and here. Or if we don't want to have that, we simply got this, and that's enough as well. For example, subsection, and this is working and saves memory. So if we have this and this saved, then this guy calls him. That's, I think, is with boom pretty useful. I think I will work on Arc Daily, for example, as well. But this is designboom. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it interesting and will play around with it. Thanks.